Hey, so today I'm going to show you this. This is the nostalgic lamp, M1 nostalgic lamp. I found this nostalgic lamp when I'm searching for lamps or night lamps in Taobao. So the design is rather nostalgic design. As you can see, it is more for decorating purpose. It's quite cute and I see it to be used for decoration rather than using as a nightlight. This cost me Ringgit Malaysia 24 or 6 USD. Let's open it up. So there's some accessories here. Actually just cables, USB cables. And a manual. And the item itself. So how it works is you charge it using this cable as usual with all your USB gadgets. And this is the activation button. And there are 3 modes. First is the white light. Second is the yellow light. Third is the breathing light, where its function is to helps you calm and relax in the dark room. So the first mode is the white light. Second mode is the yellow light, which has a 30-minute auto off feature. This is more to use as a night light. But the thing is, if you want to off it before 30 minutes, you will have a hard time looking for its button. This is the breathing light, where it helps you relax. This part is made out of glass-like material. Sounds like glass, although I'm not sure if it is really glass or not. This part is rather plasticky, but I find it's okay. So there. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.